Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be talking about Bitcoin price action with the upcoming rate cut in less than 7 hours, and also some altcoins and the stock market and the prices we are looking out for. So yesterday I talked about some of the key levels we're looking out for. So we created the A wave and it actually shot above one of the key resistance areas that I mentioned multiple times, and we broke through, but we did not close above it. And even on the daily open, it still struggled to break and close above. And I did mention yesterday, because of the rate cut that is happening, there are a lot of people that are speculating the market to shoot up. So I did say, oh, it might start shooting up. And we did have that extension, and now we have pulled back a little bit and we are still below this key resistance level. So I'm actually going to remove this resistance because I expected that this is going to be an A wave and then we find a B wave around these levels and then shoot down, but we have overextended. And this could be an overshooting B wave, so it is not invalidated yet completely. But here are some of the new levels that we're looking out for. So if we can hold above these levels and find good support, we might see a move higher. But if we don't, like I said, we might create a C wave and find support in these areas, and we just have to make sure we don't break below 54. And with the rate cut that is happening in less than 7 hours, there's a lot of uncertainty at the market. And with the market opening in 2 hours, I expect a very choppy market. So be careful if you are trading. And yeah, just make sure you have some stop losses in, because this could fly in any direction. But my personal opinion, I I think that the market has more room to move down further. So just removing some of these levels, I believe that we have room to test at least this level and maybe test this level one more time, but that is just my opinion with what is happening around, everyone being very bullish with the rate cut and a lot of optimism behind this, but honestly, like, it might already be priced in. The rate cut might be priced in, but no one really knows. And honestly, I'm wrong a lot of the time. So yeah, so we'll just have to watch for the key levels that I have marked out earlier. So yeah, like I said, we're looking out for the 59,455, 58,996, 58,343 as the micro support to continue this move up. If not, we still have some bigger areas to test. Like I pointed out, 54,345, 55,700, 56,652, and 57,600. And to create the C wave, I would expect the bulls to drive the price up from here. If not, expect bigger drops. But these moves that's going to be happening with the rate cut happening, they will be sharp and fast. So just be careful. So just going on to Ethereum as well. Oh, actually before that, we actually been seeing Bitcoin dominance just going crazy. And we can see that altcoins have been bleeding, and yeah, so it's it's a bit of a risk-off situation with the Bitcoin dominance continuously going up. So just keep in mind that the money is shifting towards something safer because there is uncertainty. So if you're in alts, be careful because in situations like this, just because Bitcoin goes up, it doesn't mean that altcoins will follow. The money is flowing into Bitcoin. That's why we can see alts are bleeding quite hard in comparison to Bitcoin. So just to Ethereum as well, not much has changed really. We have these key levels we're looking out for. We attempted a breakout from the golden level, rejected at the 0.236, and we made a move way down. But yeah, a lot of people will be anticipating the market open that's happening and the rate cuts. So same as Bitcoin, expect choppy moves. Make sure you watch these levels, the 0.618 especially that we've tested, and the final support will be 0.786 at 2217. That is also supported by this big trend line. Touch on Solana real quick as well. Solana actually going as I talked about yesterday. So we've created the A wave bottom, and I mentioned that watch out for these levels to create the B wave top, and I mentioned that the trend line that's been the trend line that's been continuing since July 24th, that also touched August. Oh, so that's not July. So July 29th and August 24th. This will act as a big resistance area that also aligns with the 0.5 fib level, and we saw that rejection and saw a move down. And I said the C wave might bottom is around the 0.127 level, but with this price action, maybe we did bottom. Honestly, I would have liked the C wave to be a little bit deeper, but we could consider this a bottom for now with the reaction that we had. And maybe this is the beginning of a 5 wave move up and test these higher levels. If we are moving higher, I expect us to break this local high we've created on the 13th of September since the big drop. So yeah, just still keep your eyes out on these levels, and I guess the immediate resistance level will be this trend line that's been happening, and also this, also these key levels. So yep, keep your eyes out, but like I said, money seems to be flowing into Bitcoin because of uncertainty, and everyone is expecting a bull run to start, but like we talked about previously as well, September is usually the worst month for Bitcoin and crypto in general. And there's still a lot of time for September to end. So, and looking into the stock market real quick, just to finish the day off. Yeah, so I I talked about if we can break above this resistance line we had since 10th of July. We actually made an attempt to push through, and then we rejected, leaving a CME gap behind as well. Daily candle, quite a strong rejection. And this area might have been the extra liquidity for a lot of people, but with the rate cut happening, depending on whether it's 25 basis points or 50 basis points, this could fly down. So stay cautious because honestly, it's bullish It is because this is the first rate cut since the COVID days pretty much. So it is very bullish fundamentally, but technical wise, honestly, man, like to, I don't know I don't know about you guys, but this looks hella extended. So yep. Anyways, guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. And if you want to see more content, please give a sub. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow to have the update with the rate cut. Thank you. Bye.